Okay then, hi. I've been experimenting a little with the chicken glitch, trying 2 chickens at one time, seeing how that works. It's been working okay, you know. And I think I've made a discovery. Found some glitch-worthy material. So... and there you have it. The second chicken glitch. Ta-da! It's kind of weird. It just stays there. The rope is obviously not there, but it appears to be there. Well, what are you gonna do? There's the second chicken glitch. Now, you don't have to use Bomba Chews. I just happen to work out with using them. So, if you want to use regular bombs, you can. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the second chicken glitch video. Okay, here we are. I've been experimenting a little more with a chicken glitch. I'm gonna try it with 2 chickens at once, just to see what will happen. Oh, would you look at that? It worked. I'm so happy. We'll just wait for these chickens to stop mauling me. Oh, that's pretty cool. The rope stayed there, even though it's not there. It's quite interesting. So, it's obviously not there, but it appears to be. Nothing unusual. And then when we pull our rope back out, it disappears. Well, there you have it. The second chicken glitch discovered partially by me.